Are you ready to take your cycling setup to the next level? In this video, we're counting down 19 bicycle gadgets and accessories that will change how you ride forever. From clever safety tools to game-changing maintenance gear, these updates will make every trip smoother, safer, and way more fun. Check out the product links in the description below, and let's get started. Saillong Bike Eyeglass Mirror. Looking to boost your safety on two wheels without adding heavy bulk? Meet the Saillong Bike Eyeglass Mirror. Crafted from durable ABS electroplating and a lightweight aluminum rod, this compact mirror mounts directly onto your glasses or helmet visor in seconds, left or right side, your choice. Featuring 3 pivot points with full 360-degree adjustability, it places the scratch-resistant flat mirror at the perfect distance to eliminate blind spots. The short arm design effectively reduces road vibration, delivering a crystal-clear, steady view of oncoming traffic behind you even on bumpy rides. Stay safe, stay aware, and keep your eyes on the road. Water bottle holder with Airtag. Never worry about losing your bike again with the AMZ Pilot water bottle holder with Airtag integration. This brilliant 2-in-1 design seamlessly conceals your tracker right inside the bottle cage, making it completely invisible to potential thieves. Built from ultra-durable fiberglass reinforced nylon, it weighs under 2 ounces, yet withstands heavy impacts. The 6-sided anti-theft screws keep your tracker secure, while a smart built-in drainage structure provides waterproof protection without blocking signal strength. Designed to fit standard bike mounts and water bottles up to nearly 3 inches, it's the ultimate stealthy safety upgrade for every modern cyclist. Cycling shoe covers. Don't let freezing weather stop your ride. Keep your toes warm with Rockbros cycling shoe covers. Crafted with extra-thick thermal SBR and Lycra fabric, these windproof covers block out harsh wind, cold air, and dust. The ultra-durable zipper is built to last through over 10,000 uses, while the flexible elastic material allows for quick, effortless fitting over your cycling shoes. Rain or mud on the trail? Cleaning up is a total breeze. Just wipe them down with a wet towel and you're ready for the next adventure. Upgrade your winter riding comfort and keep your feet warm on every trail. SILCA Chain Waxing Kit. Unlock peak drivetrain performance with the SILCA Bike Chain Waxing Kit. Designed to simplify your maintenance, this system lets you dip, agitate, and wax your chain without any messy hot wax touching. Featuring a 600 milliliter capacity, the stainless steel melter easily handles up to 115 links at once. Precise temperature controls ranging from 75 to 125 degrees Celsius prevent overheating to deliver ultra-consistent results. Plus, the clever integrated cable coupler lets excess wax drip cleanly back into the pod for easy reuse. It's the ultimate all-in-one setup to keep your bicycle chain running fast, silent, and silky smooth. GP Tech Mini Electric Bike Pump. Say goodbye to manual pumping with the GP Tech Mini Electric Bike Pump. Weighing just under a quarter pound, this ultra-compact inflator easily fits in your pocket or frame bag. Powered by a high-speed, brushless motor, it tops up a road tire from 80 to 100 psi in a lightning-fast 40 seconds with automatic auto-stop technology. The digital LED gauge lets you precisely adjust pressure up to 120 psi, ensuring perfect tire performance every time. Compatible with both Presta and Schrader valves, it can inflate a tire up to 9 times on a single charge. It's the ultimate compact tool for quick roadside emergency top-ups. Cravot Electric Bike Carrier. Transporting heavy electric bikes just got a whole lot easier with the Cravot Electric Bike Carrier. Built for any vehicle with a 2-inch hitch receiver, this heavy-duty aluminum and steel rack safely supports up to 200 pounds, handling fat tire bikes up to 5 inches wide. The integrated loading ramp takes the strain out of loading, while a V-shaped front cradle and soft padded ratchet straps secure your bikes tightly without scratching the frame. With 1,000 hours salt spray weatherproofing and a convenient space-saving foldable design, it's the ultimate road trip-ready rack for serious e-bike riders. Feisike Handlebar Bike Mirror. Upgrade your ride visibility with the Feisike Handlebar Bike Mirror. Unlike standard mirrors, this electronic system pairs a wide-angle camera with a crisp 4.3-inch monitor to give you a real-time, distortion-free view of what's behind you. The 145-degree lens covers broad angles, while built-in night vision ensures safe riding even after dark. Designed with a shock-proof mount that fits handlebars from 20 to 30 millimeters, the screen stays perfectly still without shaking on bumpy roads. With easy, tool-free installation, you can stop turning your head and enjoy a safer, smooth, and more relaxed cycling experience. Rockbros Bike Bell. Add classic style and safety to your ride with the Rockbros Bike Bell. Built with a premium brass cover and an internal collision sound system, this bell delivers a crisp, super loud ding that easily alerts pedestrians and drivers around you. Its compact, anti-rust brass and nylon design takes up minimal handlebar space while resisting wear over time. Included anti-skid silicone pads prevent scratches and guarantee a secure grip on handlebars ranging from 22.2 to 31.8 millimeters. Simple to install with the included hex wrench, it's the ideal safety upgrade for road, mountain, and city bikes alike. Rhinowalk Saddlebag. Upgrade your gear capacity with the Rhinowalk saddlebag. Designed with a sleek aerodynamic profile, this under-seat bag secures tightly using 4 heavy-duty Velcro straps to eliminate wobble on rough rides. The spacious main compartment easily stores your phone, wallet, and tools, while an elastic mesh pocket holds your water bottle firmly in place. Made from durable, waterproof polyester, it also includes a custom elastic rain cover for total weather protection. Complete with reflective accents for high-visibility night safety, it fits mountain, road, and folding bikes seamlessly for every daily commute or weekend adventure. 5,000 mAh Bicycle Headlight. Illuminate every night ride with the tow-wheeled 5,000 mAh Bicycle Headlight. Blasting up to 1,200 lumens, this powerful aluminum headlight provides clear visibility even at speeds over 30 kilometers per hour. Its specialized anti-glare lens distributes light evenly while preventing blinding glare for oncoming traffic. The massive 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery runs up to 10 hours and double functions as a power bank to charge your phone or bike computer on the go. Compatible with Garmin quarter lock mounts and rated IPX6 waterproof, it stays firmly locked in place through rain, mud, and bumpy trails for maximum riding confidence. Waterproof bike cover. Keep your ride protected in any weather with the Shinye waterproof bike cover. Crafted from heavy-duty 600D Oxford polyester, this cover shields your bicycle from rain, harsh UV rays, dust, and severe wind year-round. Measuring a generous 79 by 28 inches, it provides a universal fit for mountain, road, and electric bikes. High-visibility reflective strips make your stored bike easy to spot at night, while the windproof drawstring design keeps the cover locked securely in place. When you're ready to ride, simply fold it up into the included compact storage bag. It's ultimate hassle-free protection for your bike. Speed and cadence sensor. Take your training to the next level with the Psych Plus Speed and Cadence Sensor 2-pack. Weighing under 10 grams each, these dual-mode sensors toggle easily between speed and cadence tracking to help you ride smarter. Equipped with Bluetooth and ANT Plus protocols, they sync instantly with popular cycling apps, head units, and smartwatches. Installation is completely magnet-free. Just mount them to your wheel hub or crank arm using the included elastic bands. With an incredible 300-hour battery life and automatic sleep mode, these sleek, weatherproof sensors deliver precise ride data without adding any excess bulk. 41 pieces bike repair tools. Skip the bike shop and master your own maintenance with this 41-piece bike repair toolkit. Packed with specialized tools for your chain, crank, cassette, pedals, and tires, this comprehensive kit covers almost every bicycle model on the road today. Crafted from heat-treated premium steel with anti-corrosion plating, every tool is engineered to deliver heavy-duty strength without damaging delicate components. Everything stays organized and accessible inside a rugged, custom-molded hard storage case. Whether you're making daily adjustments, emergency trail fixes, or full performance upgrades, it's the ultimate kit for every cyclist. Indoor Cycling Trainer. Turn your favorite road or mountain bike into a high-performance indoor exercise station with the Sportneer Indoor Cycling Trainer. Compatible with 26 to 28-inch and 700C wheels, this heavy-duty alloy steel stand features a handlebar-mounted remote offering 6 levels of smooth magnetic resistance to simulate flat roads or steep climbs. A quick press-down lever clamp allows for rapid bike installation and release, while the included front wheel riser block keeps your ride level. With a noise-reducing wheel mechanism and 5 adjustable rubber anti-slip feet, you get a whisper-quiet, rock-solid workout at home, anytime. Adjustable Bike Fender. Keep spray and mud off your back with the Rockbros Adjustable Bike Fender. Built from flexible, shock-resistant polypropylene with PET rubber edges, this durable mudguard offers widened coverage for wet or muddy trails. Unlike traditional fenders, it mounts directly to your front and rear forks instead of the seat post, leaving room for your rear light or bike rack. Adjustable aluminum struts let you easily customize the angle and distance to match your bike's frame geometry. Featuring a stable 2-point attachment that prevents slipping on rough terrain, it's the ultimate upgrade for clean, worry-free rides. Bike Saddlebag. Keep your essential gear safe and organized with the Rockbros Bike Saddlebag. Featuring a protective 3D molded shell with an internal wave cushion, this compact bag shields your tools, keys, and snacks from trail impacts. The rainproof fabric with taped zippers keeps water out during sudden downpours. Installation is quick and simple thanks to 2 secure stick-up straps and a sturdy rubber seat post buckle that eliminates sway. Complete with high-visibility reflective trim and an integrated taillight hook for safer night riding, it's the ideal low-profile storage solution for any cyclist. Vertical Bike Stand. Reclaim your floor space effortlessly with the Storabox Vertical Bike Stand. This freestanding storage solution requires 0 wall drilling, making it perfect for apartments, garages, and sheds. Supported by heavy-duty powder-coated steel and a stable triangular frame, it securely holds bikes weighing up to 55 pounds with tires up to 4 inches wide. 4 360-degree lockable caster wheels let you roll your bike smoothly between rooms and lock it safely in place. Complete with fully adjustable vertical rods and front wheel securing straps, this rack keeps your mountain, road, or city bike neat, upright, and out of the way. Tru-Tension Tire Lever. Say goodbye to frustrating flat tire fixes with the Tru-Tension Tire Monkey Tire Lever. Engineered in the UK, this revolutionary tool makes removing and fitting bike tires faster and easier than ever. Unlike awkward traditional levers that require multiple tools, the Tire Monkey does the entire job all on its own. Its unique, ergonomic design holds your hand at a 90-degree angle to the wheel, protecting your knuckles from hitting the spokes. Crafted from super strong composite material, it's ultra durable yet compact enough to slide right into your jersey pocket or saddlebag for quick roadside repairs. Aosom Foldable Bicycle Trailer. Haul heavy loads effortlessly with the Aosom Foldable Bicycle Trailer. Built with a heavy-duty alloy steel frame, this rugged cargo trailer comfortably handles up to 110 pounds of gear. It features a universal bike hitch that connects quickly to your rear wheel, making hookups fast and hassle-free. The clever space-saving design includes fold-in sidewalls, removable end panels, and quick-release 16-inch wheels, allowing it to pack down flat for compact storage when not in use. Complete with built-in safety reflectors on the wheels and rear, it's the ultimate haul-it-all companion for camping trips, grocery runs, and long touring adventures.